Hi everyone, welcome to kantrends. So today I want to show you how can we do freezing of code in Bitbucket. So I hope everyone knows Bitbucket is one of the Atlassian products, just like code storage. Just like we have Git from Microsoft, we have code which is Bitbucket. We'll call it as source. So let me show how it will look like. Like if I go to source. So here we can see that is Bitbucket. So end of the day we call it as Bitbucket is a source code storage, just like source code where we write our development code and we'll store it somewhere and share with the teams. It's a common place where just like GitHub. So it will be on-prem purchased by licensed companies or organizations. So here I want to freeze one of the source code and let me tell you how it can be done. So let's go to one of the project. In my case, I'll go to this project example, just search for the project, select the project. Under that, if you choose source, you'll get the repos. Like these are the source codes we have here. So in this, I want to show you one of the source code to be how to freeze. So let's select randomly this repo. So in this, you can see there is no source code, but I want to freeze this so that no one can access it or no one can push some code into it. So to do that, under repository on your left, if you go, there is a setting called repository settings. So select that. In this, again, you have multiple options under this, like repo permissions, branch permissions, and branches. So many options we have. So under this, again, choose to repository permissions. So under repository permissions, if we see, we can see here user access, group access. User access, it is like revoking access. Like if you want to freeze some repo with access, so you want to disallow or block someone not to access this. So in that case, I want to block a group of access. So if you want to make user access, you can search for that user. So you can see example my user. If I make myself and click on add, you can see here multiple permissions. So read, write, admin. So if I make to read and click on add, I can't make anything in this repository. So I want to make some of the groups to not to do any code work in this. So let me search like how we'll do is in this group access, how the groups will create is example, if it is project, I said OPAD. So the group will be created in Bitbucket every project like platform code. So the project variable hyphen the project name. So in my case, it is OPAD. So under that, we'll have lot of groups. If you keep hyphen collaborator, deployer, developer, owner, planner, reviewer. So in this way, each group of members will have different level of access. So in this, I will choose one by one group and I'll make everyone to read level. So let me do that. So to do fastly, I'll make this again type and let me grab it. So just like I'll just select it and copy it. So let me select first group and then again I'll enter the same next group, deployer, developer, owner, planner, reviewer, and the default group will be OPAD, just code project OPAD. So if I click on add with read level, so everyone in the group of these members, all the members in each group will have only read access to this repository, which is MSTR sales selection OA. So end of the day, why we are doing is, if we do some migrations example from Bitbucket to ADO somewhere, at that time we want to block the people to multiple check-ins. So some people may check in here, some people may check in the latest sources. So that will be a double work. So we'll block this once the migration is finished. So in this way, the Bitbucket source code freezing can be done. So all the groups will have only read-only access. So they can see the repos only. They can't do anything like new changes, new commits, new pushes, or clone anything. So hope you guys understood how to freeze a code in Bitbucket in a simple way. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.